in harmony. Let's give a warm welcome to Mark Oralar. Vote wise, vote Mark for a brighter tomorrow.
Good day, esteemed citizens of Liceo de Cagayan University. My name is Francis Mark Oralar, a humble aspirant for esteemed position of student council. As I walk the halls, I've witnessed the potential that lies within each one of our teachers and our administration. I envision a Liceo that nurtures the potential and fosters a vibrant, inclusive community. With my passion, dedication, and a deep understanding of our needs, I promise to serve as your bridge to a brighter future. Choose the one who desires. Choose the one who believes in his university's greatness. Vote from Francis Mark Oralar, and let the transformations begin.
Vote Mark for you, not to be Mark. My peacemaker, your peacemaker, our peacemaker. Introducing the voice of our community, the one who makes waves and sparks change. Carl Sandler Alvarez, our PIO extraordinaire.
Greetings, students. I am Carl Sandler Alvarez, and I present myself as your PIO candidate with a commitment to student development. My vision is to enhance your school journey. I seek this position because I believe in collaboration and empathy. As your PIO, I pledge to create an inclusive platform for virtual wellness sessions. And your overall development is crucial, and I'm dedicated to fostering a harmonious atmosphere. Let's create a school where kindness, understanding, and unity flourish. Together, we'll build a supportive environment for everyone to excel. Remember, united, we are unstoppable. Let's empower our hearts, transform our minds, and pave the way for better.
My PIO, your PIO, our PIO.
Get ready to meet the guardian of integrity, the master of numbers, and the watchdog of accountability.
It's time to welcome our auditor, June Gabriel Sabugaa.
Hello, esteemed Visayans. I'm Jun Gabriel T. Sabugaa, former student council and auditor extraordinaire. And I'm here to bring the rhythm back to our school as your candidate for auditor. Why am I throwing my hat back to the ring? Because I believe in the power of our unity and the magic we create when we stand together. With my experience and your passion, we're an unstoppable force. If you elect me, well, here's the scoop. I'll be your voice, your champion, and your beacon of positivity.
My auditor, your auditor, our auditor.
Get ready to meet the maestro calling us the guardian of our class, and the beacon of physical responsibility. Let's give a warm welcome to Kisha Petradilla,
Our treasurer
extraordinaire.
Good day, dear friends. I'm Kisha Petradilla, the passionate and dedicated treasurer of our department. Together, we envision a world where clean air, a healthy environment, and a love of our mother earth becomes a reality. As your chosen leader, I'm about to work tirelessly to eradicate pollution, clean up our surroundings, and foster a sense of community that prioritizes the well-being of our planet. With the help of the Yeto community, we can overcome the challenges we face and create a more bright future for generations to come. So let us all join hands and breathe into a more greener and sustainable air. Don't be shy, vote for me!
My treasurer, your treasurer, our treasurer.
Introducing the keeper.
Afternoon, everyone. Now that you have already seen the pretty and marvelous faces of our candidates, let's discuss our platforms. Welcome to our platform discussion. We have 8 main services that we would like to highlight. Printing services, tutoring programs, the mental health consultations,
We understand the importance of mental well-being and provide a safe space for individuals to discuss their concerns with a licensed mental health professional every Friday. Our consultations are confidential and non-judgmental, allowing individuals to openly express their feelings and receive guidance. This aims to promote mental health awareness and help those in need.
Improvement of student service. No assignment, no problem. For improvement of student service here to rescue. This is not only helps to provide students with what they need instantly within the school premises, but also help to raise funds to be used for outreach program. Next. Freedom Friday, Freedom Wall. Right to express your rights. Every Friday, the council will provide a freedom